The paradox of Sicilian defense in training.
Alright, let's start with the Sicilian defense. While white plays e4, instead of pulling out the king's pawn at e5, black plays c5. Instead of mirroring white and playing symmetrically, black immediately challenges the center from the flank. Why? Because this creates an asymmetric pawn structure, making this game sharp and unpredictable. Now, let's begin this idea into trading. Think of the stock market like a chess game. Big institutions make their first move like they are riding the upward trend, but the smartest traders don't just follow blindly. They wait, analyze, and counter strategically. Let's break it down. In the Sicilian, black lets white take space but creates imbalance to gain an edge over later. In trading, a pro trader just don't trumps in the trade, it waits for a little pullback. And while it gives a good entry in the trade, you can enter the trade at a good value and then enjoy the uptrend later on. The key to Sicilian defense isn't just defense, it's setting up the counter. While white plays knight to f3, black pushes its pawn d6. And while white plays d4, black takes with the pawn and white takes with the knight. You give up some immediate control, but in return, you gain dynamic long term opportunities. Sounds familiar? Well, that's exactly how pro traders think.
As you can see in this Tata Motors chart as well, it was following a good uptrend, but you have entered in a wrong position like when it is a overbought zone like here or here. By following the uptrend, you could have easily lost your capital while coming down here. So it's very important how to time your trades and take the right position when to enter a trade. So wait for a pullback. Wait for a pullback, and if you have entered here or here like this, after that you can get a good uptrend without risking a lot of a capital and can get a good return on your investments. So like this in the Sicilian defense also, when you allow others to capture the center of the board for certain times, after that you can give a good tactical play and outrun the markets.
Let's vanish for now, but maybe in another reality we will meet again to explore.